Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan were blessed with a baby boy at the Breach Candy Hospital at 7:30 a.m. today morning. Even as congratulatory messages poured in for Saifina, Karan Johar, who is quite close to Kareena, took to his Twitter page to reveal the baby boy's name. Taking to his Twitter page, Kejo wrote, "My babo had a baby boy. I'm so happy. Taimur Ali Khan." Earlier, there were reports that Kareena and Saif were planning to call their baby Saifina after Kareena had mentioned it in a lighter vein in a show. We at Movie Talkies offer our congratulations to the starry couple. For more on movies, fashion and entertainment, stay tuned to movietalkies.com.
Good evening, everyone. I'll keep it short. Everyone said so much. So wherever I go these days, there's just one question asked, which is, I think, quite intrusive, but still I'm asked, both me and Saif. Is it a boy or is it a girl? Have you found out? And I'm like, excuse me? What difference does it make? I'm a girl child. I would love to have a girl. What is the difference? I think I've done probably more for my parents and for my family than a son would. So my answer is downright rude to saying, firstly, this is very intrusive, and at this point, I don't think you should be asking me this question. But coming back to it, I think we're still in a nation where we've been asked, oh, you're getting married, are you still going to work? Oh, you're having a child, are you still going to work? These questions upset me, and when Bizcraft and Mr. Evans wrote to me that if I would like to be a part of this initiative, I think my first reaction was that as an expectant mother on this journey, nothing would make me happier than to be a part of a movement that supports gender equality. Not just for me or my child, but for the millions and millions of children out there. For all those people who think that a girl child is considered taboo, is considered not equal enough, not up to a man, but you must know that a woman is probably the only soul that has the right to carry a soul in her. And that is truly something that is a joy. Thank you so much, Mr. Evans, Mr. Khemka, for allowing me at this special point in my life to lend my voice. I hope it makes a difference. Thank you.
We have a couple of questions for Kareena. What would your advice be then to those wanting to make a difference?
Well, I think the reason that we're all gathered here today is to make a difference now. We keep making promises to each other at dinner tables, at gala dinners that was mentioned, putting on a black tie, opening our pockets sometimes and writing a check and sending out, but nobody really actually takes that step. But I think with Global Citizen India and so many wonderful people associated with it across the globe, I think this is the time, and the time is now. So, I think this is what we're all doing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kareena.